Hey YouTube, Miss Chandler coming at you real quick. Went back to CVS to buy 6 more packs of the Scott's paper towels as I told you in my last video. Now this deal was totally free for me because I used, like I said, I rolled my last $10 extra care buck into this deal along with using 1 4 off of 20. I used 6 of the $1.25 off coupons that you can find on the Scott's shared value website. And I used a gift card. So whatever balance I had left, which was around $13 and some change, I put that on the gift card. So this was totally free for me, and I got back my $10 extra care buck. So you guys, even though this was $30 worth of items, after the 4 off of 20, after all of the coupons, and after rolling that $10 extra care buck from the previous transaction, it left me with $13 and some change. So that's still not too bad of a deal if you're just going into it with, you know, no gift cards or anything like that. It's still not too bad of a deal because you're going to get your $10 back. So typically, we'll say you paid around $3 and some change for 6 packs of paper towels. So, but it was free for me, you guys. I'm super excited because I said I wanted to stock up on my paper towels, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So I was coming at you guys really, really fast. I gotta go tend to my 2-year-old. He's back there fussing. So until the next video, you guys, be blessed. Bye bye.